Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vay, and today I've got a quick unboxing for you. So this is the Benks headphone stand for the AirPods Max, and there was some controversy surrounding this product on Reddit. Apparently there was some, their marketing team went on to the subreddit and posted some fake reviews, and that actually caused some people to boycott the product. So I'm interested in what it actually looks like and how it feels. I bought this from Benks directly, and I'm not affiliated with them, so I bought this with my own money. It cost me £26, including shipping, and arrived in 8 days as promised. So let's check it out. Came in its own proprietary box. As you can see, it's quite nice looking, but it's a shame that I took a beating on the way from China. But it's quite rare to get anything from AliExpress or anything delivered from China and the packaging to come in one piece anyway. I'd be surprised if it came pristine, to be honest. But that's the outer box. Oh, this is nice. It looks like they've kind of gone for the Apple aesthetic. It's nice and clean looking. It's got cellophane over it. Again, quite surprised. I'm surprised at how this box feels actually. It looks like it costs more than £26. Maybe if Apple made something like this, it'll cost about 70. Let's get inside this. Hasn't got that easy pulley tab that Apple has with their products, of course. That probably costs a lot of money to engineer and to design. Here's some features on the side: stable support, non-slip care, fit and non-deformed. So I think the reason this is people go for this one is because the part that holds the headphone is curved and especially designed for the AirPods Max. Oh, it's embossed as well. So this product image pops up. Quite good production values from Benks. It made it difficult to open. I don't know if they're going for the effect or if it's because the box took a bit of a beating, so it's a bit squeezed at the edges. And here it is, the stand. This is the base. Don't know what happened here. It looks a bit dusty actually, but it feels nice. It's kind of like a soft rubber feeling here. I'm glad that the Benks logo is quite small. I generally don't really like branding on these things, especially if it's not a well-known brand. There's rubber on the back. Seems like it's made of either hard plastic or light aluminium, but it's weighty. That's nice. Some instructions. Desktop headset stand. I guess it comes with an Allen key and a screw. I have to put it together myself. Let's see how that works then. I don't know how this is supposed to come out. Like this. That didn't feel right. Maybe I was meant to release that part first. Okay, so this is the frame, I guess. The Allen key and the screw. Let's get this box out of the way and put it together. So far so good. It doesn't seem like an ultra cheap product. And I'm going to show you some stands I already have in a second that cost me £18 from Amazon UK, so that we can compare the difference in quality. Oh, this is nice and shiny. This looks great, doesn't it? A stainless steel shaft. And again, either aluminium or light aluminium or plastic. Sounds more like plastic to me. This white strip here, it's rubberized, feels the same as the base here. It seems like it might be, I mean, if it's soft, but it seems like it might catch dust. So if I'm not careful, it might get dirty easily. There's silver at the bottom. I wouldn't say that's space grey, that looks more, well maybe, it's in between space grey and silver. It also comes in a black variation, but I bought this silver one because I thought the white and silver would go better with my AirPods Max. I chose the green one. Oh. So there's a square peg here at the end of the shaft and a square hole. Just goes right in like that. Oops, what the hell? Wow, that's dirty. This orange stuff on it, you see this orange oily stuff that came straight off when I scraped it onto the base. Let's try to do this properly. It's hard to do it on camera. The screw's actually quite nice quality. It's rounded, look. It's not going in straight though. Ah, that's because if you can see the hole is not in line with the actual base. But yeah, attention to detail, not super good here. So it's going to scrape the sides of the base, but it still goes in. There you go, screws secured, but there it is put together. Not a bad looking stand. I like how it's angled here. That's quite stylish. I think it would look pretty good on a mantelpiece or a desk. I'm going to pop my AirPods Max on it now. And it fits pretty well. So it's resting on a mesh here. There's a bit of a gap on the edges, but it looks nice. And I guess there's more space. What do you call it? There's more of a base for it to hang on, so it's not dangling from just one point. And as I mentioned, it cost £26. I've got these two headphone stands from Lamicol, and these cost me 18 quid. The quality isn't too far off, I guess. Well, I mean, it's definitely better on the Benks because you get this nice stainless steel shaft here and these rubbery bits. This is a matte finish, and this is very plasticky on the top here. Is it worth £10 more? £9 more? I don't know. It definitely looks aesthetically pleasing with the AirPods Max. Again, that leaning forward. I'll take some B-roll so you can see it properly. But the fact that it leans forward from the side and the front, it looks quite nice. The stand itself, the part where the headphones rest, it's not a perfect fit, and I thought it would be. It's definitely not crap, and you know, despite the controversy, I think it is probably one of the better looking headphone stands out there for the AirPods Max. Let me quickly try this with my old. I've actually never hung the AirPods on my old headphone stand before. Maybe I should have done this before buying a new one. Oh, see, that's the problem. Because it's shaped this way, it bangs into the shaft on this one. Like that. Although I could take it out of its bra case and it'll fit perfectly here. almost perfectly. If you're going to keep your headphones in its bra, then the fact that the shaft is leaning will accommodate it. Okay, so yeah, despite the controversy and the shills and the fake reviews, it's a pretty good stand. Probably is worth the price, I'd say, because of the design and the stainless steel shaft. I mean, maybe there are times that I would want to hang it whilst it's still sitting in the bra, and in those situations I won't have to think twice about it. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this useful. See you later. Bye.